Thankfully, we're pretty much done with the bulk of the rain, and we've had plenty of it. Fortunately, tomorrow looks a lot less wet in comparison. Now, yes, there could be a few storms here and there, but again, it's not going to be like what we've dealt with over the past 24 hours. And that's mainly true for the whole weekend as well. Just a storm here and there. There could be some isolated clusters. I'm not expecting too many, and most folks should be dodging those storms just fine, but there will be a few, and maybe a couple of those on the stronger side. Certainly can't rule that out. It does look like next week, though, we start to enter some drier weather and some hotter weather with some prolonged temperatures in the 90s. So as we go into tonight, we're not expecting rounds of storms to be coming and going in the middle of the night this time. It's just going to be relatively clear and quiet. We do, as we get into tomorrow afternoon and evening, start to see at least maybe a couple storms here and there. Like I said, there's not going to be too many. And then Sunday looks to be more or less the same. It should be just one or two trying to fire up in the area. Any activity should remain relatively isolated. We will watch for the isolated instance of a strong storm, though. That will be possible. Temperatures tonight falling down to around 70 degrees for most of us, and then 88 tomorrow for Waco, 90 in Hearn, 85 in Goldthwaite, Fairfield 87, and Killeen looking at 88 tomorrow. For the 10-day forecast for Central Texas, like I said, the rain chances do start to drop off, maybe just some very slight chances running through Wednesday, and then just looks partly cloudy as we get into the second half of next week. But you'll notice that those temperatures do start to climb from 90 up to 93 by Friday, and then staying in the 90s through about next weekend. And of course, there will be some humidity as well. So tomorrow there might, in the Brazos Valley, be a couple of storms here and there. I don't think there will be too many, and even fewer than that as we head through Sunday and Monday, which should set up a nice streak of mainly dry weather throughout the upcoming week. But that is going to lead to some added heat.